Hey guys, welcome back to the Coding with Luke channel. Today I'm going to be making a platformer game. Alright, let's get into it. So first we're going to get a, if I clicked, go to, save. Actually, not right now, I'm not going to do that now. I'm not going to make any fancy characters or anything, we're just going to stick with the cat for now. Alright, so, no outline, I'm going to just make the floor. This is going to be our level sprite. So, we can look at this. Make that so it's not going to jump. Alright, so now, if I clicked, go to this position. So it's always in this position. Alright, now, create the first level. So right here, we'll just put it like that. I don't really know what that is right now, but so now we have to make it so the character can move. So we get a forever loop, if, and a key pressed. We're going to get a right arrow, and then set rotation style to left and right. And we're going to point in direction of 90 degrees because that's to the right. And then move 10 steps. Now we're going to repeat this, except with the left arrow and negative 90 degrees because that's pointing to the left. So now we just want to get him right there, and then when the flag is clicked, go to this position. So now we can go to the left and right easily. Now we want to get this and then change it to up arrow, and then get to repeat 10s, and get to change y by 10s. On the top one, just keep it as 10. Bottom one, negative 10. You can change it to be like 15 or 20, and then you have to put negative 15 or 20. That makes him jump higher, but this is what we have right now. He can walk around and he can jump. Alright, now let's do the basic level system. So we're going to make another sprite. So we're going to make it so it's going to be like red, sure. We'll make him a line, just for concept, and then we'll say if touching sprite 3, then we want to broadcast the message of next level and hit OK. Then actually that's not what I wanted to do. I'm gonna do kind of the same thing that I did with him, but in this one, in the thing. So if touching sprite 1, then broadcast next level, and then we want to when I receive next level, you want to go to where you started. So now right now, if he hits that, he'll go back there. But now now we want the level sprite. When it receives next level, we want him to go and make the next level. So we're gonna go and quickly make just another level for proof of concept. I'm just using red because it's what I have right now. Alright, now just do that there just to show that it's that level. Right now, we're gonna save it, go to next costume, and then also switch to costume 1 booster. Alright, that's the level system. Alright, and that is how you make a platformer in Scratch. Thanks for watching. Bye.